hope all is well. Today I will be showing you what I purchased at Maje. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic, like today, TV twin items I DIY, I compare bags to review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Okay, what did I buy? A couple of things. As you can see, I went a little nuts. There was a sale. This was before Christmas. And yeah, so first bottom up. Here's this cute, well, it's in a little clothing protector, so open this up. Isn't she beautiful? She gives me those Gucci vibes, doesn't she? With the horse bits here, and they are non-functional pockets. And it's an attached waist, which is great for me because I hate looking for belts. And she's pleated. I am all about those crimped pleats. And yeah, so we should try her on. These are functional buttons. These are not functional pockets, and it zips, I think, on the side. So let's try her on. I will not be dropping her because she was not cheap, even on sale. So here is the dress. It's so adorable. It's winter time right now, so let's just wear some boots. Oh my God, these are my Gucci boots, and they're cute with this outfit. I'm in love with it. I did get a size 36. Maybe I should have got a 38. Let me know what you guys think. But I am a real fan. I'm a real fan of Maje. Like, I had my cast on when I was trying this on, so it was a little bit odd because I couldn't get my arm through this. So wearing it now, this is the first time actually wearing it full on. But are we going somewhere with this cute outfit that I want to wear outside? Unfortunately, no. California's bad. Thank you to all the first responders out there. I hope you guys got your COVID-19 vaccination. But I'm going nowhere. Next item. I love how they come in little clothing protectors. So, isn't she cute? When I put her on, I was like, oh, I was just supposed to get the dress. But when I put this on, I had to purchase her functional pockets, size 0, because it's an oversized sweater. And the buttons are really cute. Buttons are really adorable. See that? Maje is a sister company with Sandro, and the stores are usually side by side. And it's a Parisian style, like très chic type outfits. Like it's higher end than, of course it's higher end than Zara. It's really beautiful. I think I'm going to be purchasing more from them, which is bad. So let's try her on. Okay guys, so I'll try on the cardigan. Here it is. It's so adorable. Let's just take this off. This is like cramping my style. Sorry, there's a bunch of crows and noise outside. Here it is. So adorable. I love it. It is comfy and really adorable. It's a size 0. If you want to size up, you can. And that's this cute cardigan. So put some shoes on. Let's just put on these shoes. Yes. My Roger Vivier's. I know that I probably could find something that matches this better, but I'm rushing to leave with my husband somewhere. Just want to get out, so this is it. You know how this looks. Pretty cute. It has this nice leopard print inside. And they did give me a little gift. It's like a, I don't know what it is yet, but a little, let's open it. So it's a little dust bag with, oh, it's a little like, you know, car keychain. It'd be cool if your like initials were MM. That would be perfect. So with all this said and done, thank you everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.